Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. So if you are looking for the best insurance deal but you don't know where to exactly start, well, this video is gonna be the right choice for you, because in this video we're gonna talk about QuoteWizard.com. This website helps you find the best insurance deals and to also compare multiple insurance providers. So if you want to go and check this website, you will find the link in the description. And now let's get into the tutorial. First, let me tell you what is QuoteWizard.com. It's an online platform that lets you compare multiple insurance providers in just few clicks. Whether it's for your car, for your home, renters, or even life insurance, you can find the best rates tailored for your needs. So now let's go to the website. So as I told you, I will leave you the link to the website. So once you click on it and you open QuoteWizard.com, you're gonna find this homepage. So this is the homepage of QuoteWizard, and here you're gonna find a lot of categories, like for insurance of car, for renters, for life insurance, for homeowners. So there you're gonna find a lot of categories, and all you need to do is to just choose which insurance you want. So we're gonna take an example for today's video with car insurance. So I'm gonna choose car. So once you choose your category, so here you need to enter your zip code of your address where you live, and make sure that you enter the exact correct zip code, because it's important for your price or your deal that you need to search for. So once I'm gonna enter my zip code, then they're gonna take me to another page where I need to enter info about my car and also about me. For me, they're gonna ask me, for example, for my email address, for my date of birth, for when I took my driving license. For example, if it was a recent, like just this year, or it was for 3 years ago, and make sure that you answer correctly, okay? And then you need to answer for the questions for your car. For example, which car you have, in which year it was released, for example, in 2024 or into 2018 or 2017. So it depends on your car. And as I told you guys, you need to answer correctly. And once you answer all the questions, they are going to recommend you an insurance company with the quote or the price. It's as easy as this, nothing is complicated. And let's say, for example, you are not satisfied with the price they recommend you. So all you need to do is to start again from QuoteWizard, and they're gonna recommend you another company with another price. And then you can start comparing each price, and you can choose the best deal for you. But guys, I want to tell you something before you choose your plan, which is once you got your quote, you need to make sure which package is included. So for example, what's going to cover? Is it going to cover everything? Is it going to cover just some specific things? So let's say coverage of $30,000 per year is not $10,000 per year. So it depends on each plan. And also you need to see other people's reviews about the company that you're going to be insured from, because it's important to know if they are satisfied with the service and to not like find or avoid future problems with them. So make sure that you are doing this before you choose your plan, and if everything is okay, you can go ahead and get insured. So why QuoteWizard? First, which is it saves you time by giving you all the quotes in one place. So you don't need to search for an insurance website company and search for their prices and to go to another one and to another one. Like, you need to do a lot of research. But with QuoteWizard, you don't need to do all of this. You can find all the prices and the quotes in one place. Second, it helps you find affordable prices based on your needs. Third, which is it's trusted by millions of users. So there are a lot of users, millions, that are trusting QuoteWizard, and they are satisfied, and you can see reviews about it in the internet, and you're gonna find that it's really trusted by millions and they are satisfied. Okay guys, so this was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and if you want to go and check QuoteWizard website, as I told you, go to the link in the description, click on it, and you will go directly to the website. Once you open the website from the link in the description, you can go and see the insurance companies offered by QuoteWizard, and you can see the reviews of their customers, so you can have an idea about each insurance company and if their customers are satisfied or not. So if you want to check people's reviews about other companies, you can just come here and you can start reading like reviews about these companies. For example, for Root Insurance, this is the review. For Nationwide, so it depends on each company has its reviews. Okay, and I want to tell you something also, which is that there are a lot of other websites like QuoteWizard. There is not only QuoteWizard. So if you want to see or compare this website with other websites to see if you can find more affordable insurance prices, you can go and check, for example, Insurify, search for Policy Genius. There is the Zebra, there is Gabi, and so many others. So there are a lot of websites that you can check. So this was the video, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If it was useful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can get more helpful guides, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.